So the next our product is best luxury automatic machine Jura Z10. Pros is fast, dynamic, highest quality espresso we have tried from automatic machine. Cons large milk accessories sold separately. Quick take. Resistant is a close. Are you going to get a cafe quality espresso drinks and even cold brew with just a touch of butter? So Jura Z10 is the best fully automatic espresso machine we have tested out of a our dozen. It actually makes espresso and not our treat down version that is allergy thanks to Jura product recognized grinder which automatically manipulate grinder size and just in real time. The machine is fully customizable, offer 24 pre-programmed espresso basic drinks and 8 cold brew basic brews. However, as we drink calling it cold brew, it's a bit of stretch inside of steeping the grounds overnight. The machine produces curds, grounds, steeps them briefly in cool water and then brews using pressure, creating something it is retro view. The 10 Z10 is also compatible with our app so that you do not even have to set food in your kitchen to brew. Just make sure there is a cup in place ahead of time. You can set specially preference from your Apple Watch. It is also considerably more attractive than your run-of-the-mill automatic espresso machine, but the store should be a given consider a price tag. Apart from price, the real drawbacks of are the size. The fact that the bean hooker is on top and that the cool control and stainless steel milk pipe are sold separately and take up even more counter space. But then anyone looking at the fully automatic espresso machine, but it is weighty and footprinted can expect a much four-finger price tag or not. Again, this is the best coffee you are going to get at the touch of our butter. Let's see about this product on Amazon, but its quality and its product parts. So here is its product brand Jura color aluminum white. So clean, easy to clean, flavored blending powder, easy to use. Also have 4.1 stars. Let's see its review. My new best friend. One user say that about this product. 73% is 5 stars, 6 is 4 star, 3 is 3 star, 2 is 2 and 1 star is 16. So let's check about this. Why too much plastic in this thing? One user say that about this product. Wash 3 was some sort of video total excellent, unbelievable. Machine reliability quality is 0. One user say that we read it. Crazy me for thinking the spending thousand of that I would have a reliable product out the box. To be clear, his coffee is good, but the quality of milk system, especially the plastic fitting, are absolutely cheap and unreliable. Within the first month, I was buying new tipping and fitting just I could get proper section for the milk system. Here we are 4 months after this by still having a deal with hit or a miss milk system. At least weekly I have to deal with this machine pulling hair through the cheap fitting of splitting milk stream. My previous DeLonghi IS 70% GPS was more reliable. Come on Jura, you can do better than this. Update after 5 months, this 4K machine still would not reliable. Pull me. New tubes and fitting only work. Do not waste your time on this machine. I am unboxing my darling. I give up. So one user say that Let's read about 1 star. So it is here is also 5-star rating is too much. Then 1 star machine royalty is 0, so it is also 1 star. Stop it working after 6 weeks. Poor quality roast custom service. Milk stream does not work. Coffee ground back up after 7-5 uses. So smart trading home is not authorized reseller. Milk system does not work. User in fact is complex, not a viable machine, not worth the machine money. So here is now depending on you want to buy or not to buy. I will not say that you should buy or not. It is depending on you. You can also reach customer review here, and judge this machine also. So let's see our new products. Every